Hi Raiders! Today I'm going to be teaching you how to play a simple dice game that you can play with your brothers and sisters at home or a parent, or you can play alone. So grab some dice and get a couple of them if you need to, and we're going to learn how to play pig today. Alright, so you will need a piece of paper to keep score and make a simple chart with 2 columns. I'm putting a P on this side for Miss Phillips and a G for my guest who might be rolling today. You'll also need a die, and you and your buddy can either share the one or you can have your own. So it's up to you. You want to get 2 for each person if you're playing with more than one person, or just share the one die. So to start, you're going to roll a die, and if the number is a 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6, you get to keep that score. If it's a 1, then it's my partner's turn. So 1 stops your turn. Our goal is to get to 100. So I'm going to go ahead and pretend I'm rolling for real this time. And so I've got a 5, and I'm going to choose to keep rolling. So whatever I get next, I'm going to add to my 5. So 5 plus 5 is 10. I can either record this or keep it in my mind. I'm going to keep it in my mind. So I've got 5 plus 5 is 10. I can either stop at 10 and write my score down, or I can keep going. But remember, if I get a 1, I lose my points and my turn is over. So I'm going to roll one more time. So 5 plus 5 is 10, plus another 5, 5, 10, 15. I'm going to stop because I like the number 15 for my first score. So I'm going to write 15 on my side. And now it's my partner's turn. My partner got a 2. And they're going to keep rolling. Another 2. 2 plus 2 is 4, correct? 4 plus 4 is 8. Another 4. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Ooh, 12 plus 6. Remember, you can use the dots on your dice to help you as well. So I've got 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Do you think my partner should stop? Probably. Let's stop at 18 for my buddy. And now it's back to my turn. So I will never lose these points. Once I write them down, those are my points for the round. So even if I get a 1 later on, I still have these points. Remember, I'm trying to get to 100, so I'm going to start adding. Now, you might choose to go to 50. You and your buddy can decide. If I roll a 1, that's called a pig, and it takes my score away for the round. So there's 3. I'm going to keep going. 3 plus 3 is 6. Ooh, 6 plus 6. There's a doubles. 12. 12 plus 2. 14. I got a 1. Pig. So I don't get a score for this round. So for this round, I get a 0 because of that 1. Now I could have stopped, but I decided to go on, and I got the 1. So your 1 is a pig, and it scratches your points for that round. And so now my buddy will go. 1 right off the bat. So again, for that round, a 0. Not having any luck. So my buddy got a 6. Plus 4, ooh, there's a 10 pair. 6 and 4 is 10. Plus 5, there's 15. And if my buddy wants to stop, they can stop there. Now, you might want to keep a running total. And of you that are older might want to go ahead and start adding these over here so you know how many more you need to get to 50 or 100 or whatever you decide to play to. So 18 and 15. I'm using place value. If that 10 plus 10 is 20. 8 plus 5 is 13. 20 and 13 is 33. So far, my partner is at 33, and I'm still at 15, because 15 plus 0 plus 0 is still 15. So I hope you enjoy playing this game. Like I said, you can play with a buddy, or you can play alone and keep your score until you get to 50. This will be great to keep up with your addition skills and your fact fluency as you're at home and just using a simple guy to play with. So I'll come back with a new game later this week. I hope you have fun playing Dig. I'll see y'all later.